Hi, my name is Jeannie Scott, and I own a digital marketing agency. And we specialize in helping local businesses capture leads online. And we do that by helping them set up back-end systems. When I first started working with Ali over 2 years ago, I was a VA that was just posting on social media for businesses, and we were getting results, but we weren't able to track those results. We didn't know where the leads were coming from. We couldn't connect with those leads. And so what Ali helped me do was he gave me the skills to be able to set up those back-end systems for my clients, which exponentially grew my business. So if you're on the fence about working with Ali Bloyd, I would say just go for it. It's worth the money. I've been with her for over 2 years, and it's been an amazing ride. She has up-leveled my skills, probably from a C-level VA to an A+ digital marketer. We're a full-blown agency now. We do all the things digital, and we contribute that to Ali. I highly recommend her. I couldn't recommend her more. I really appreciate everything Ali's done for our business and the growth that we've experienced.